How to maintain your iPhone 14 battery health? If you want to keep your iPhone battery in good condition for as long as possible, this tutorial will show you the settings you should check. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap Battery. Scroll down and tap Battery Health and Charging. Here, check your maximum capacity to see the current condition of your battery. If optimized battery charging is available, make sure it's turned on. This helps reduce the time your iPhone spends fully charged. If your iPhone shows charging optimization or a charge limit option, you can also use these features to reduce battery wear. Avoid exposing your iPhone to extreme heat, especially while charging. Don't leave it in direct sunlight or in a hot car. It's also a good idea to use a reliable charging cable and power adapter, and avoid regularly letting your battery completely drain. Keep in mind that no setting can guarantee 100% battery health forever. Battery capacity naturally decreases over time, but these habits can help slow down battery aging. And that's it. These are some simple ways to maintain your iPhone 14 battery health for as long as possible. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.